Konnichiwa minasan, o genki desu ka? Which means hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Japanese Learning Center. I am Neil from India, here to guide you through the Japanese language learning process. If you are new here, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming valuable videos. Let's start with our new textbook series. This tutorial is all about Minna no Nihongo vocabulary and basic Japanese grammar. If you are among those who are planning for JLPT N5 exam or want to review basic Japanese again, then please don't miss a single video from this series, because I'm going to cover each and every point from Minna no Nihongo textbook in this series. So the very first question is, why Minna no Nihongo? Well, initially when I started learning Japanese language, I used this book for self-study. And I think these are the best books for beginners. The reason behind this is English translation is also given for our better understanding. And in the beginning, it is very important to understand what is the exact meaning of that word and basic grammar patterns also. So that's why I choose Minna no Nihongo. Soredewa hajimemashou, which means let's start. Minna no Nihongo textbook lesson 1, Goi or Kotoba, which means vocabulary. Watashi, I, me. Watashi, I, me. Watashi tachi, we. Watashi tachi, we. Anata, you. Anata, you. Anohito, that person, he or she. Anohito, that person, he or she. Anokata, that person, he or she, more polite. Anokata, that person, he or she, more polite. Minna-san, everyone, everybody. Minna-san, everyone, everybody. San, Mr. or Mrs. San, Mr. or Mrs. Title of respect added to the name. Chan, suffix often added to a child's name. Chan, suffix often added to a child's name. Kun, Mr. An informal equivalent of san used by men. Kun, Mr. An informal equivalent of san used by men. Jin, nationality. Tatoeba, Indojin means Indian. Jin means nationality. Tatoeba, Indojin means Indian. Sensei, teacher or master. Sensei, teacher or master. Kyoshi, classroom teacher. Kyoshi, classroom teacher. Gakusei, student. Gakusei, student. Kaishain, company employee. Kaishain, company employee. Shine, employee. Shine, employee. Ginko-in, bank employee. Ginko-in, bank employee. Isha, medical doctor or physician. Isha, medical doctor or physician. Kenkyusha, researcher or scholar. Kenkyusha, researcher or scholar. Engineer, engineer. Engineer, engineer. Daigaku, university. Daigaku, university. Byoin, hospital. Byoin, hospital. Denki, electricity, light. Denki, electricity, light. Dare, who. Dare, who. Donata, who, polite. Donata, who, polite. Sai, years old. Sai, years old. Nansai, how old? Nansai, how old? Hi, yes. Hi, yes. Iye, no, not at all. Iye, no, not at all. Shitsure desu ka? Excuse me, but. Shitsure desu ka? Excuse me, but. O namae wa? May I have your name? O namae wa? May I have your name? Hajimemashite. How do you do? Introducing oneself for the first time. Hajimemashite. How do you do? Used when introducing oneself for the first time. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Pleased to meet you. Dozo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Pleased to meet you. Kochira wa dash san desu. This is Mr. or Miss dash. Kochira wa dash san desu. This is Mr. or Miss. Nani nani kara kimashita. I came from. Nani nani kara kimashita. I came from. America, America, USA. America, America, USA. Igirisu, UK. Igirisu, UK. Indo, India. Indo, India. Indonesia, Indonesia. Indonesia, Indonesia. Kangkoku, Korea. Kangkoku, Korea. Thai, Thailand. Thai, Thailand. Chugoku, China. Chugoku, China. Doitsu, Germany. Doitsu, Germany. Nihon, Japan. Nihon, Japan. Furansu, France. Furansu, France. Burajiru, Brazil. Burajiru, Brazil. Sakura Daigaku, Sakura University. Sakura Daigaku, Sakura University. That's it. I suggest you to watch this video again and again and try to remember this word so that you will never forget, and these words will be stored in your memory permanently. And as we finished the vocabulary of the first lesson, for grammar part of this lesson, click on the link given in description box. Thank you so much. See you in next.